In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Freeagent. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or entrepreneur, understanding how to generate an invoice is key for managing your finances efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, let's start a new invoice. To do this, you'll want to head over to the Work tab in your Freeagent dashboard. Once you're there, select Invoicing from the drop-down menu. This is your gateway to managing all your invoicing needs within the platform. Once you're in the invoicing section, look for the option that says Add New Invoice and click on it. This is where you'll begin creating your new invoice. Next, it's time to complete the invoice details. Start by selecting the customer you're invoicing. You'll find a contact drop-down list where you can choose the customer from your existing contacts. If you haven't added this customer yet, don't worry. You can add a new contact directly from this menu. After selecting the customer, enter the date of the invoice and specify your payment terms. This helps ensure both you and your client are clear on when the payment is due. If your invoice is related to a specific project, you can add that information here. Alternatively, if you want to include unbilled items from other projects, make sure to select Include Additional Projects. Once your basic details are set, it's time to add items to your invoice. Click on Add Invoice Item to create a new line item. Here you'll enter the description of the work or product you're billing for, along with the quantity, unit, and price. If you're registered for VAT, be sure to select the correct VAT rate. This ensures your invoice includes all necessary tax information. If you have multiple items to bill for, you can add as many line items as needed by clicking Add Invoice Item again. If you prefer a pre-filled invoice, Freeagent can automatically generate line items from existing time entries, saving you time and effort. Now that all the details have been entered, it's time to finalize and send your invoice. Once you're sure everything is correct, go ahead and click Create and Finish. You'll then be able to preview your invoice. At this stage, you can choose to save it as a PDF for your records or send it directly to your customer via email. If you decide to email the invoice, just select Send Now. However, if you prefer to send it manually later, simply choose Mark as Sent. This will finalize the invoice in your account without automatically sending it, giving you flexibility in managing how and when it reaches your client. That's it. You now know how to create an invoice in Freeagent. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.